Boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Partner from Tech Dude, and today we are back with another video. This time it's just a out of the box video. This time we bought a gimbal and it costed me around 55k, and the gimbal name is Dji RS3 Mini. It is a 3-axis gimbal. On the box the MRP is 36,000. We got 1,000 rupees discount. And talking about the gimbal, you get gimbal nice seal, and here are the contents. As you can see, wait, let me turn the light. So here is the content, what you get inside the box. Oh my god. This light is not listening to me. Yeah, let us keep it aside. This is how the gimbal looks on the front, and here you can see you will get gimbal neck seal and RS Mini tripod, RS Mini quick release plate, RS Mini plate, and L-shaped multi-camera control. Like you will get an Type-C cable which help us to control the camera, and the USB charging 40 cm cable, and the screw kit. And talking about the inside of the box, by the way, we have removed the gimbal. We did it inside the box, and this is how the gimbal looks. And let me show it to you. This is how it looks. So on the front side, as you can see here, let me turn on the light so that you will see clearly. There you go. You will get an on here you will get an M4 M3 screws, and here on the right side of the gimbal you will get an Type-C port and the power button. Here you can see you will get an thing, English. Okay. Okay. And after here you can see you will get this thing. So slow speed, medium follow speed, PTF, 3D roll, 360 and stuff, follow mode and stuff. Talking about this is you will get an display. On the other side you will get an wheel. You will get an trigger right here. As you can see, this is a trigger. There you go. And this is how the complete build quality is. Talking about the build quality, as you know, the Dji Mini build quality is quite sturdy. The build quality is completely metallic and hard plastic finish, so it offers you crazy stability, and it has an motors in it, so automatically it will roll itself and stuff. Talking about the inside content of the box, you will get a RS3 Mini tripod thing, which goes like this into the back of the gimbal. And after inserting, this is how it looks. And this is how the initial gimbal looks like, and I'm just turning it off. Then talking about the other box contents, you will get an exclusive base plate for your gimbal. I'll show it to you in a while. You will get the lever and screws for this base plate. You should keep this carefully in the box. And you will get two cables, USB-C to USB-A1 cable, and USB-C to USB-C another cable. The cable quality is quite good. It is not braided, but the quality is good according to the price. And that's what you get in one box. And talking about the another box, you will get some user manuals, and there is another box inside it. Oh god. you will get nothing in it, just an empty box, so that you can keep cables in it and stuff. And that's it. That are the box content you will get in this Dji Mini S3 gimbal. So I will just place a camera and I will show you a whole demonstration, and I will give you a review video in a bit. So let's go.